Learning daily. Knowledge is power. Hi friends, how are you guys? I hope everyone are fine. By the way, now let us learn about forests, and our today's topic is more on forests. We have two topics about which we will know in this video. They are deforestation and afforestation. Now let me give you guys a slight introduction. Deforestation is the clearance of forests, and afforestation is the establishment of new forests. Animals and plants depend on each other. Many animals live in the forests across the world. Man's needs are also met by forests. There are different forest products that we need. It is estimated that nearly 32 to 35% of the world's land surface is covered by forests. In India, however, only 22 to 23% of land area is forest. Guys, can you see what I am highlighting now? This part. In this part, the forests are cleared. How? By natural disasters or by humans clearing the forest. Now let us know about deforestation. Deforestation, clear cutting or clearing is the removal of a forest or stand of trees from the land which is then converted to a non-forest use. Deforestation can involve conversion of forest land to farms, ranches or urban use. The most concentrated deforestation occurs in tropical rainforests. About 31% of Earth's land surface is covered by forests. The primary cause of deforestation is agriculture. Trees are cut down for use as building material or sold as fuel, sometimes in the form of charcoal or timber. While cleared land is used as a pasture for livestock and plantation, the vast majority of agricultural activity resulting in deforestation is subsidized by the government tax revenue. Disregard of as scratched value, lax forest management, and deficient environmental laws are some of the factors that lead to a large-scale deforestation in many countries, both naturally occurring and human-induced, is an ongoing issue. Between 2000 and 2012, 2.3 million square kilometers, 8,90,000 square miles of forest around the world were cut down. Now, afforestation. Afforestation is the establishment of a forest or stand of trees. Forestation in an area where there was no previous tree cover. Many government and non-governmental organizations directly engage in programs of afforestation to create forests, increase carbon dioxide capture. Sometimes special tools such as tree planting bars are used to make planting of trees easier and faster. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel.